Hello guys, it's your boy Silly Squad 9 here, doing a video of showing you my fidget spinner. Yep, it does go really fast, like this fast. See what happens if I touch it on my... And I'm gonna touch it on my skin while it's spinning that fast. Go! Ow! That hurt. Ow. Ow. Do it on my left arm. This is awesome, guys. Please like and comment down below if you like how this fidget spinner is pretty fast. Try my right arm. So guys, please like this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to stay tuned to my channel. And I'll catch you all later. Bye.